It looked nothing like this. Where we were sitting was literally dirt. The owners have done a beautiful job of finishing the floors, and as you can see, sitting out looking over this view over the pool, especially with the autumn leaves and stuff, there's probably not much better place you'd want to be. We're conscious of trying to use all aluminium beams in this structure. So you'll see as you go around, we've engineered it to use double aluminium beams to get the span. We're very conscious because the owner wanted less posts, so we've used as least amount of posts as we can, and trying to tie everything in so it looks like it was existing. And we have incorporated a lot of products here. We've got our insulated roof, we've got our single skin roof, we've got our aluminium shutters. All the downlights and stuff at night look spectacular in here. We've incorporated the fan. We're very conscious of the height because we actually wrap all the way around the house. There's several different roof lengths and different roof products in this job. So you can basically walk all the way around this property on a day like today that's raining and not get wet. And you can see on a day like today it is overcast and raining, but it's still very light in here, which we're very conscious of. And it's just come up beautiful, and that's one thing we were very proud of, was making a seamless roof all the way around the house, even with the different heights and products used. The whole area's become functional now. It's basically doubled the size of their house. Even though we're outside, you're going to spend most of your time out here. Basically our goal is to listen to what the customer wants and make sure we tick all the boxes for that customer. We're very happy with the way the project's finished. They've got their outdoor barbecue area, kitchen, sink, pizza oven. Literally, you probably only go inside the house to have a sleep because you'll probably live out here most of the year.